Sean Miles, and I'm standing here with Drea Davis. How do you feel about the energy crisis that's going on today?
I don't give a damn.
Hi, I'm Sean Miles. I'm standing here with Janet. How do you feel about the pantyhose being bunched up in your toilet?
A little awkward.
How do you feel about the rise in tanning taxes?
I'm black.
Did you find out whoever stuffed the pantyhose in your toilet?
It's probably Alex.
How do you feel about black people?
Sad.
Why did Alex do that to your toilet?
He's just mean.
How do you feel about being Drea Davis?
Pretty damn.
Do you think my boner is sexy?
Not yours.
Do you like soup?
Yes.
What type of soup?
Chicken noodle.
There you have it, folks! Chicken noodle soup! If you were a fish, he'd be the Alex fish.
Yes.
The Alex fish.
Slightly more epic than the angel fish because I'm a fallen angel
The
fish.
Alex fish.
Hi, I'm Alex Mifflin,
I'm Sean Miles.
and this is the new commercial.